Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best steam irons that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of spending way too much time ironing stubborn wrinkles that just won't go away? Or maybe your regular iron doesn't deliver enough steam to handle thick fabrics like denim or curtains? If you're looking for a faster, more powerful solution that makes ironing effortless, this might be exactly what you need. Meet the Martisan Digital Steam Generator Iron, a high-powered 1800W steam system designed for fast, professional-level wrinkle removal at home. This iron packs some serious performance. It delivers up to 8 bar pressure, giving you deep steam penetration for tough wrinkles. The 550G/min steam burst makes quick work of heavy fabrics like linen and cotton. A large 1.9-liter water tank means longer ironing sessions without constant refilling. The ceramic sole plate glides smoothly over clothes, preventing sticking or damage. With continuous steam technology, you get consistent output without interruptions. Plus, the Smart Auto Shutoff feature ensures safety if you forget to turn it off. Pros: extremely powerful steam output. Large water tank saves time. Smooth and durable ceramic sole plate. Great for heavy-duty and bulk ironing. Cons: slightly bulky compared to regular irons. Takes a bit of space due to the steam generator base. Price is higher than standard irons. This iron is perfect for large families with lots of laundry, people who iron frequently, anyone dealing with thick fabrics or stubborn wrinkles, or if you simply want professional ironing results at home. At $239.99, it's definitely an investment, but considering the power, efficiency, and time it saves, it offers excellent value for serious users. Number 4. Introducing the Rowenta Master Steam Station VR8338, a professional-grade steam iron designed to deliver powerful, consistent performance for fast and efficient wrinkle removal. This steam station is built for serious performance. It features a 1750-watt powerful heating system for quick and efficient ironing. The built-in pump ensures strong, continuous steam output for deep wrinkle removal. With 400 microsteam holes, steam is evenly distributed across the fabric for better results. The stainless steel sole plate offers durability and smooth gliding on all fabric types. A large 57-ounce removable water tank makes refilling easy and supports longer sessions. You also get rapid heating, so you can start ironing almost instantly. Plus, adjustable steam control lets you customize output based on fabric type. Pros: strong and consistent steam performance. Even heat distribution with excellent coverage. Durable stainless steel sole plate. Large, removable water tank for convenience. Cons: slightly bulky compared to standard irons. Can be a bit noisy due to the pump. Not the most compact option for small spaces. This steam station is ideal for people with large laundry loads, users who want professional-level ironing at home, those dealing with thick fabrics like denim, curtains, or bedding, anyone who values speed and efficiency in ironing. Priced at $199.99, the Rowenta Master Steam Station offers excellent value for its performance, making it a solid investment for anyone serious about wrinkle-free results. Number 3. Meet the Rowenta Focus Excel Steam Iron DW5280, a powerful and reliable everyday iron designed for smooth, precise, and efficient wrinkle removal. This iron delivers strong performance in a compact design. Powered by 1725 watts, it heats up quickly for fast ironing sessions. It features anti-grip protection, preventing water leaks and stains on your clothes. The precision tip design helps you easily reach tricky areas like collars, seams, and around buttons. With powerful steam output, it handles stubborn wrinkles on both light and heavy fabrics. The stainless steel sole plate ensures durability and smooth gliding. Multiple manual steam and temperature controls give you flexibility for different fabric types. Pros: fast heating and strong steam performance. Anti-grip feature prevents messy leaks. Easy to control with precise ironing tip. Lightweight and easy to handle. Cons. Smaller water tank compared to steam stations. No advanced digital controls. Steam power is good, but not as strong as high-end steam generators. This iron is perfect for everyday home use. Small to medium laundry loads. People who want a budget-friendly but powerful iron. Users who prefer a lightweight, easy-to-store option. At just $74.98, the Rowenta Focus Excel DW5280 offers great value for money, delivering solid performance, reliability, and essential features without breaking the bank. Number 2. Introducing the OMAIGA Cordless Steam Iron, a convenient and modern ironing solution designed for flexibility, fast heating, and hassle-free use at home. This iron focuses on freedom and ease of use. The cordless design lets you move freely without tangled wires, making ironing quicker and more comfortable. With 1,500 watts of power, it heats up rapidly, so you can start ironing in seconds. The ceramic sole plate provides smooth, non-stick gliding across all fabric types. It includes an 11.84-ounce water tank, offering decent capacity for regular ironing sessions. The auto shut-off feature adds safety by turning the iron off when not in use. Built-in self-clean and anti-calc systems help maintain performance and extend lifespan. Plus, 3 temperature settings allow you to adjust heat for different fabrics. Pros. Cordless design for maximum flexibility. Fast heating and easy handling. Smooth ceramic sole plate. Safety features like auto shut-off. Cons. Needs reheating between uses due to cordless base. Not as powerful as high-end steam stations. Smaller tank compared to heavy-duty irons. This iron is ideal for people who want cord-free convenience, small households or quick ironing tasks, users who value portability and ease of storage, anyone looking for a modern, beginner-friendly iron. At $76.69, the OMAIGA Cordless Steam Iron offers solid value, especially for users who prioritize convenience and flexibility over heavy-duty performance. Number 1. Introducing the Rowenta Focus Excellent Steam Iron DW5433, a powerful, feature-packed iron designed for precision, convenience, and professional-level results at home. This iron is built for performance and ease of use. Powered by 1750 watts, it heats up quickly and delivers strong, consistent steam. The stainless steel sole plate with 400+ micro steam holes ensures even steam distribution for faster wrinkle removal. A retractable cord reel, makes storage neat and hassle-free. The LED display gives you clear control over temperature and settings. Features like anti-drip and anti-calc systems help prevent leaks and extend durability. The precision tip allows easy ironing around buttons, collars, and tight areas. Plus, auto shut-off adds an extra layer of safety. Pros. Strong steam output with excellent coverage. Convenient retractable cord for easy storage. LED display for better control. Durable and scratch-resistant sole plate. Cons. Slightly heavier than basic irons. Premium price compared to entry-level models. No cordless option. This iron is perfect for users who want power plus convenience in one device. Medium to large households. People who iron frequently and need efficiency. Anyone looking for a premium upgrade from basic irons. At $109.99, the Rowenta Focus Excellence DW5433 offers great value with its premium features, making it a solid mid-range option for reliable, high-performance ironing. If you want smooth, wrinkle-free clothes with less effort, this iron is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and deals. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews like this.